Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're doing unboxing again. So again and again and again. So this is remember my video the last time is I returned my previous shoes, safety shoes, because it's not really comfortable when you wear it for 10 hours. So now I have this and let's open it. Here we go guys, let's open it. I'm so excited. By the way, guys, I'm not the one who choose this shoes, because I just want to make sure that the safety person who knows what's the best shoes to be used when you're working in a warehouse for 10 hours a day. So it's a Skechers. So I guess this is really cool because it's Skechers, and let's whoa, look at that. You see it? Nice. I'm so excited to try this. Oh, wow. I like the color, is not bad. Oh, wow. I'm so happy. Okay, let's try it on, guys. Oh, I feel like so excited. It's new free shoes from Amazon. Soon. Oh wow, that's really good.